Next exercise 2D, question number 1, fill in the blanks. 94 multiplied by dash is equal to 940. 94 multiplied by 10 is equal to 940. 954 tens are 940. 10 multiplied by dash is equal to 450. Here we have figure 450. It means we multiply 10 with 45. So we get answer 450. 35 multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. Look at this, 35 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. We write 0 here. 1 will be carried over here. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 70. Answer is 70. Next we have 63 multiplied by 3 is equal to. Look at this, 63 multiplied by 3. So we multiply 3 with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 6 are 18. Answer is 189. Answer is 189. Dash multiplied by 34 is equal to 340. So 34 multiplied by 10. 34 tens are 340. Next question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. Yes, it is true. A number does not change if it is multiplied by 0. It is false. Because when we multiply any number with 0, answer becomes 0. So number will change. Doubling of a number or multiplying it with 2 is the same. Yes, it is also true. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a number 6. Doubling of a number 6 means 12, and when we multiply 6 with 2 is also 12. 6 2s are 12 and 6 and 6 is also 12. It means it is true. 54 multiplied by 10 is equal to 504. It is false because 54 tens are 540, not 504. 29 multiplied by 9 is equal to 271. It is also false. Look at this, 9 9s are 81. We write 1 here, 8 will be carry over here. 9 2s are 18. 18 and 8 is 26. It is not 271, it is 261. It means statement is false. Next we have question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given option. 65 multiplied by 3 is equal to. Look at this, 65 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. We write 5 here. 1 will be carry over here. Now 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So answer is 195. Correct option is B. 47 multiplied by dash is equal to 94. The missing number is. When we multiply 47 with 2, answer is 94. So we get option D. Double of 26 is. It is 52. 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45. 9 5s are 45 and 10 4s are 40. Next question number 4. Find the product. Here we have 27 multiplied by 3. 3 7s are 21. So we write 1 here. 2 will be carry over 2. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we have answer 81. Next is 35 multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10. 0, write 0 here and 1 will be carry over here. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 70. Next we have 4 4s are 16. We write 6 here. 1 will be carry over 2. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next is 12 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16. Write 6 here. Again 1 will be carry over here. Now 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next we have 44 multiplied by 6. Now we multiply ones. 6 4s are 24. We write 4 here. 2 will be carry over 4. Now 6 4s are again 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Now 6 7s are 42. Write 2 here. 4 will be carry over here. Again 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. Next we have 28 multiplied by 4. 4 8s are 32. Write 2 here and 3 will be carry over here. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Next we have 53 multiplied by 9. 9 3s are 27. Write 7 here. 2 will be carry over here. Now 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. Now look at question number 5. Multiply the following. 63 multiplied by 5. Again multiply 1's values. 5 3s are 15. We write 5 here and 1 will be carry over 6. Now 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. It is 315. Next is 6 7s are 42. Write 2 here and again 4 will be carry. 6 7s are 42 again. 42 plus 4 is 46. So answer is 462. Next is 83 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6 and 2 8s are 16. 166. Next we have 81 multiplied by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 eights are 24. So answer is 243. Write 2 in the 100 column, 4 tens and 3 ones, 243.